Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we break down tech and hosting options to help you make smarter choices. Today, we're comparing two popular hosting platforms, InfinityFree and Hostinger. Which one is right for your website? Let's dive in. First up, InfinityFree. As the name suggests, it's 100% free hosting, no hidden costs, no trial periods. You get unlimited disk space, unlimited bandwidth, and you can host up to 400 MySQL databases. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the catch. The biggest downside of InfinityFree is its performance. Since it's free, your site will likely share servers with tons of others, which can lead to slower loading times plus no custom domain emails unless you pay for extras. It's great for beginners or small projects, but not ideal for heavy traffic. Now, let's talk Hostinger. While it's not free, it offers plans starting as low as $1.99 a month. Hostinger is known for its blazing fast servers, user-friendly interface, and 24/7 customer support. With Hostinger, you get custom domain emails, free SSL certificates, and a one-click installer for WordPress and other platforms. Their premium and business plans also include daily backups, which is a big plus, but keep in mind those ultra low prices often require long-term commitments. So, which one should you pick? If you're just starting out or need a budget-friendly way to experiment, InfinityFree is a solid option. But if you're serious about performance, security, and scalability, Hostinger's affordable plans give you way more value in the long run. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.